So I spent some hours at the London Borough Market, and this is how my trip went. First, I got in my Uber, and I was just appreciating the beautiful city of London. Here's the Borough Market. Oh, look at the body on that girl. Yes, I had on my faja, but hello, still got the body of a goddess though. Anyways, I decided to start with the strawberries and chocolates. Yeah, I call it strawberries and chocolates in a cup because that's what it is. Joined the queue, paid my money. It's basically them drizzling whole chocolate and strawberries to get that goodness. In my opinion, I thought this was really good because the strawberries were juicy and the mixture with the chocolates, perfecto. Next, I decided to try this food called paella. I think, listen to how they announce it. Fresh paella. Yeah, I don't know what tribe eats it, but I think I'm going to call it seafood rice because it's like a risotto, but not a risotto because it's not too watery or what's it called, but it has lobsters, is that clams? No, mussels, shrimp, prawns, and it was really good, very flavorful. I'm a Nigerian woman, I'm an African queen, like flavor, it was well seasoned. And then next up, I decided to pass my boundary and try this thing called oysters. One can say, lady, not used to cook it. They open it from the shed, they clean it, and then you put some lime, some Tabasco. I took a slurp, tried it, sank in my teeth. It was a bit succulent. It kind of tasted good at first, and then boom, it did not work again. Koda, it don't good. No. Koda. Eja tutu. Yeah, eja tutu. Anyways, next up I decided to try the mushroom risotto. Listen.
Serve the guys one mushroom risotto.
Mushroom risotto. That guy was telling me, oh, I'm from Nigeria. I like egusi. I'm like, no, darling, you're not from Nigeria. We don't call it egusi. It's egusi. But this one, it's not my fave, but it's also not bad. It has this earthy flavor, and I'm a meat girl. Oh, look at that cheese pool. I'm a cheese lover. I'm a meat girl, and those were mushrooms, so no, I'm not vegan. I'm a meat lover. Look at my fat self joining the queue to eat creme brulee donuts. See, me, I'm supposed to be watching my weight. I joined that queue. I did not join American Visa queue like that too. But yeah, I ordered the honeycomb, pistachio, and the creme brulee donuts. And when I tell you this thing is diabetes in a box, as in Yoruba accent, diabetes, sugar dey poju. I was supposed to call my doctor and tell me, come let me check my blood sugar because this is poju. But that's the honeycomb and pistachio. And after that, I decided to just show off a little and have something healthy after eating all them yama things. So I went for a sea moss drink, and that's all for today. Mwah.
With the way things are going in this country, dating a food seller is better, far better than dating a graduate. I swear, I'm a living witness. I don't even connect them.